it's Joanna here, and for today guys, I am going to prepare a dinner for my husband, and he already have some ingredients yesterday, but I think he didn't have time to prepare for it, so I decided to cook for him. He said he likes my cooking. I don't know about that, but anyway, so usually he don't use store-bought sauce, but since I have this available, I'm just gonna cook based on these ingredients, you know. So I'm just gonna add some fresh vegetables because I think he likes it, you know, like he could smell or taste the freshness of the ingredients. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have this one because this is these are his favorites. So the green bell pepper, the tomatoes, and then also this one. So, and also garlic. So anyway, so my ingredients. So this one, it is an Italian sauce, guys, like Amatriciana with pancetta. So Amatriciana with pancetta, and so these are the ingredients. I have this one, and this sauce has it has tomato paste, pancetta, or just basically pork with sea salt, and it has some onions, sunflower seed oil, and pecorino cheese. Pecorino cheese is it's a kind of cheese that's coming from sheep's milk and with sea salt. And so this sauce has red wine, and then peppers, basil, and black pepper. So this is actually all good to go, but I just want to add, as I've said, some freshness to it. And also, so I'm using this Hamiglia spaghetti number 10. So I'm using this one, and of course I have some oil. And since I don't have the pecorino you know, cheese, I'm just gonna use what I have. So I have this Monterey Jack cheese for toppings later, because this one actually has cheese in it, but I'm just gonna use this for, you know, toppings. And I have actually the fresh garlic, and I just want to add the minced garlic, the one already prepared. And John bought this yesterday, Korean brown beef. So I'm just gonna create my own or add to the main sauce, so things like that. But I might cook this different, and you know, it's up to him if he wanna add on it, because I don't wanna mix this with this, because it might because actually this has already meat in it, and so I'm just gonna separate it, and if he wants more meat, then he could just add to this plate. So anyway guys, so I'm just curious about Amatriciana with pancetta. So you know, it's Italian, so of course I think most people wants to go to Italy, right, to have to get to, of course, Italy is one of the famous tourist spots. But anyway, so I was doing a research a little bit. So Amatriciana, guys, is just a traditional Italian pasta sauce based on pure pork cheek, and it comes with pecorino Italian cheese, tomato, and onions. So this is the sauce. It's a traditional sauce in Italy. And pecorino or is a kind of cheese that is hard, salty, often used for grating. So you know, they grate it, and then they use it for toppings, you know, in certain dish. And pecorino comes from sheep, or pecorino sheep means sheep in Italian. And pancetta is a salumi made of pork belly meat that is salted. Yeah, so that is salted. So basically most of the ingredients here are being, I mean the meat are being cured. So cured just means, you know, like just like us Filipino, we prolong the fish by smoking, by putting it in a can, or you know, by adding a lot of salt to it. And so that's just basically to preserve, or you know, to prevent microorganisms to grow. So you know, you have long shelf life to meat, or you know, fish like that. So anyway, so I'm just gonna prepare this, and I don't know, I hope you would like this. And yeah, so I'm gonna try this Amatricia with pancetta. So this is my first time to taste this, and going to Italy is one of my dreams. Well, I think anyone's dream, or somebody, you know, someone would like to go to Italy because of, you know, how beautiful the places are. But anyway, so yeah, so at least we get a taste, or I get a taste of the Italian food. So I'm just gonna experiment. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut my ingredients right now. Hi guys, so I'm ready to cook my sauce. So here I have 2 pans here, because this is for the original sauce, and this one is for my homemade one, or you know, with the meat and the fresh vegetable. And then I have here, so I have this pasta for a while, and I'm just gonna cook it for me. So I'm gonna use that one. Okay, so anyway, so I'm gonna start cooking. Okay. So here it is. So the sauce with the with the beef meat. So I'm looking for tomato sauce in our pantry, but I don't have tomato sauce. So I think I'm just gonna, I can puree that one actually, but it's too much to do. So I'm gonna just see what I can do here. Hi everyone, so finally I'm done cooking. I'm approaching to the most fun part in cooking, washing dishes after. So anyway guys, so I'm done cooking, and I actually taste this already. So I like the taste, and honestly, I feel like I'm in Italy right now. No, I'm just kidding. But you know, it's good to have a dream to travel, guys, to Italy, and you know, who with all those beautiful you know, like destinations in Europe, like you know, when I'm in Facebook, I follow this Italian you know, video or Italian you know, like account, and they features all you know, like the beautiful places of Italy. So but anyway, guys, so here it is, and I just added the spiral spaghetti. I'm not sure if this is a zucchini, but it's supposed to be healthy spaghetti. We bought this in man, I forgot the store. I'm not so good with names, but we bought this there, and we had this for a while, and when I look at the pantry, it's there, so I just decided to add it on my plate. I did not add it on John's plate because he might not like it. So anyway, yeah, so you know, I like the taste, and it really has a different taste, but it's like, you know, like you're going for, it's the type of dish that, you know, you want to go for another plate, something like that. So I think it's pretty good. And our spaghetti, you know, our Filipino spaghetti, we have sweet side to it, and I really like this because, you know, once you add the bell peppers and the fresh tomato and the garlic, it's just the smell of it, like, you know, it's different, like it's just so fresh. So it's so fresh, and I just grated some cheese on top of it, and now it's melted. So yeah, and this is John's plate. So that's his plate, and I just grated some cheese on top of it too. And actually, it's a big pan, and I was not able to use the whole noodles because it's too much. I mean, it's a lot, so I just save it for next time. So thank you guys for cooking with me, and at least I get to experience, you know, like I just imagine I'm in Italy right now, so that's the feeling. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned something, and we both, well, I learned something too, you know, when I cook something different, and most especially, you know, like a cuisine of another country. It's good to try different things, and you know, you kind of like have the feel of, oh, okay, this is how it is, you know. So okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, God bless you.